Discover hidden legendary pet spots and adopt me that most players miss. Let's dive in and collect those rare finds. Ever wonder where the golden unicorn hides? Head to the secret cave near the waterfall. Grab your flying pet, soar high, and dive into the cave's entrance. Yep, that's where the magic happens. Golden unicorns are waiting. Next stop, the mystic treehouse. It's not just any treehouse. Look for the hidden path spiraling up. At the top, a dragon egg awaits. It's an epic climb, but so worth it for that legendary catch.
Dive deep into the underwater grotto, but you'll need a diving pet to explore. In these depths, the legendary sea serpent lurks. Swim around, and you might just spot it shimmering in the dark. Rise up to the mountain peak for a breathtaking view and the legendary phoenix. Equip your grappling hook, scale the heights, and there it is, the fiery bird of legends. Catch it if you can. Take a stroll through the hidden forest pathway and keep an eye out for the forest guardian. Regular visits increase your chances of spotting this mystical creature. It's a legendary pet that truly stands out. Got your own secret spots? Share them in the comments. Let's build a community of explorers. Keep checking back for new locations as updates roll out. Stay ahead in the game, and let's discover more together.